If you've seen those $300 cruise ads, we want to show you what a weekend cruise on Utopia of the Seas actually costs.
We did a 3-night weekend. Here's what we paid from start to finish.
Now, we're not trying to discourage anyone from cruising. We had a great time. We just want to make sure that you know what you're getting into and how much it actually costs us.
We're gonna separate what's mandatory from what's optional. If you guys are new to this channel, my name is David.
And I'm Jimmy. We're just two friends who happen to film the whole thing, and we're gonna take you through the costs step by step.
Balcony cabin, CocoCay, NASA, that's the whole setup.
This was a luxurious 3-night weekend on the Utopia of the Seas, sailing out of Port Canaveral. The advertised price that we saw was about $537 a person for the balcony.
Let's walk through this step by step.
First off, the daily gratuities. They are charged per person per day.
3 nights comes up to about $55 per person. If you're not local, getting to the ship is a mission on its own. For most people, the cruise cost often starts before you even board the ship.
1-night hotel, ride share, that's a pretty normal setup.
For us, it was pretty much $100 a person for the hotel and $180 in total for Ubers there and back from the airport to the port.
If you're trying to stick to a budget for this trip, drinks matter.
Now, we didn't do a drink package, we just paid a la carte as we went.
Here's what we ended up getting. 6 beers, 3 cocktails, and 6 coffees. It ended up being around $140 in total for both of us.
So yeah, it's kind of personal what you decide. If you're unsure, you can track it for the first day, the number of drinks that you get, and then you can decide if a drink package is for you. But be warned, it's gonna cost a lot more on the ship to purchase that drink package. If you guys are on this cruise, you should know that there's no free internet. You have to pay for it. You either go with the package or you don't.
For one device, it's already $31 a day.
Now, one person could get it, and if you're always around that person, you could tether off them just to save on a little bit on the costs.
The included food is fantastic. You don't have to spend more. With unlimited seafood lunch at the Windjammer, this is the best embarkation lunch ever. The main dining variety is actually insane. Just look at all these amazing options. Next stop, Doghouse. Loaded dogs and this topping. See the sign? It means fresh, free, and unlimited pizzas.
We still decided to do one specialty dinner at Chops Grill for about $65 a person after taxes. Now that doesn't even include drinks.
So if you're budget focused, skipping it is an easy way to save some money.
For NASA and the Bahamas, you've got choices. You can either book the excursions through the ship, you can do it through a third party off the ship, or you can simply explore the island on your own for free.
If you want some ideas, there are ATV tours, snorkeling, beach days, or even just walking around town.
Excursions purchased on the boat does cost more, but it's convenient and it also lowers stress. You can purchase it off the ship, it can be cheaper, but you manage that on your own time.
You definitely don't want to miss the boat.
You don't want to be like these guys.
Roll the clip. Now, CocoCay is included, but a lot of the experiences such as the thrill park, hideaway beach for adults only, the cabanas, zip lining, the helium balloon, and water activities such as jet skis are extra.
We decided to check out the Thrill Water Park for about $70 per person.
If you want to keep it simple, the beach day is a totally free option. Now, casino spending is definitely optional, so play at your own discretion. It really sneaks up on you.
I spent about $300 at the table, and Jimmy here spent about $100 on slots.
Other stuff that you might see and consider are photos, the spa, or shopping souvenirs. None of them are required, but definitely cost money.
Also, you're gonna need stuff like hand soap. Get it off the cruise because getting everything on the boat is always more expensive. So really, the advertised price that we're seeing for $500 turns into roughly $1,200 a person based on our 3-day cruise. You can easily skip the drinks, the Wi-Fi, the specialty dine-in, and do the free CocoCay experience. But since it's a 3-day cruise, we do recommend splurging just a little bit if the budget permits.
Can you believe it, David? That's like $2,400 for both of us.
It adds up.
So if you had a budget, you want to stick to it, you absolutely can. You don't have to spend a lot to enjoy your time on the boat.
If you guys never cruised before, a weekend trip is a nice little teaser, a nice test run, just to see if it's worth it and if you like it before you do a full-on 7-day cruise. We think it's worth trying, and we're certainly going to do it again. We have one coming up in the summer.
Now, if you go in expecting to pay the advertised price of $500 in, you'll be really upset. However, if you're this well informed, you're gonna have a great time. A rule of thumb, a lot of people end up paying anywhere from $200 to $800 more than the advertised price.
Let us know in the comments below when you guys plan on doing your first cruise. If you have any questions, feel free to drop in the comments below and we're gonna answer it.
All right, guys, thanks for tuning in. We'll see you next time.
We still did one specialty dinner because it's a special occasion.
I don't know about that one. It was our special occasion. It was our special occasion.
The mouse is in the shot, no?
It is.
You kept it there the whole time?
No, I just put it there. I just grabbed it. Casino spending is optional. One more time. Sailing off. Sailing off. I don't know. We definitely should not do that.